Hi guys, let me take you for a virtual tour of my terrace garden. Now I have started gardening and this has been going on for a couple of months now, and at the present moment my garden is in full bloom. You can see several eggplants full of harvest, ready to be harvested right now. And then there are the see the main purpose of this video is that I'm about to install a drip irrigation system. Now, the thing is, I'll be out of station for a couple of days, and I thought that I have a responsibility towards these plants that I have planted on my garden. Now, the thing is, it's quite hot, so they need the water. So the best thing that can be done when a person is out of station is to install this drip irrigation system. Okay, I come to the second part of installing the drip irrigation system. Cut a piece of this pipe. Now here, this nozzle, you can see the top of the nozzle is covered with a plastic bit. Now you just need to force it open so that the passage is clear. Next, insert one end of the nozzle, not the pointy end goes inside the main line, the other end goes inside this 4 mm pipe here, like this. And next you need to put in an anchor and the dripper. Yeah, simple.